It's another hot day in Chicago. We're gonna help out a buddy of mine. He put a gazebo together. I'll show you the picture when we're all said and done. But he asked me if I could help him to put Tappcons into his concrete slab. I have a hammer drill, so I brought it with me. I'll be showing you guys how to use it today and how we go about pre-drilling holes and then using the Tappcons to go into the concrete slab. Today's tool of choice is going to be a DeWalt DW511 hammer drill. This bad boy here can be used as a regular drill, and then you can switch it here to hammer drill mode, and that's definitely going to help us with that masonry bit. This is going to go through the concrete like butter. Should. Another nice little feature is this handle. I like it, and I'm going to show you why. It has the adjustment. You can take it off. This adjustment can adjust the depth of how deep we need that Tappcon to go into the concrete. So we're going to take the length of the Tappcon, and we have to make the hole a 1/4 inch deeper than what the size of the screw is. So I'll put the camera, I'll move it down, you'll see how to do it. All right, everybody, enjoy the video. All right, so today we're gonna be using Tappcons. These are great for outdoors. These actually have a nice head. Has a 5/16 head. Real nice and easy, it won't strip out. We're gonna put 3 in each leg. 1 here, 1 back here, 1 here. What we wanna do with the adjusters, when we loosen this handle, we want this to adjust to the depth that we have to go in. This is gonna tell us how deep to go in. So what you do is, you put the screw here or measure it, this is 2 inches, and then you go another 1/4 inch below that. When you measure from here to the concrete, it's 2 inches and 1/4. And as you can tell, it doesn't touch the head. So that's how we find the depth. Another way to do it, if you don't have the handle, just measure the drill bit 2 1/4 inches and then wrap tape around it. Once that tape gets close to the surface, then you stop. So now we'll power up the drill and we'll start making some holes. We're ready to go. Just remember that when you drill, don't put too much pressure. Let the drill do the work. We don't want to make the hole bigger than it should be. As you can see, here's my guide. It tells me how deep I need to go, and it stops me from going any further. We're just gonna put the screw in there for now, just to keep it in place. All the holes are done. Now let's switch drills. This is my DeWalt 20 volt impact and 5/16 head. Done. Nice and easy, baby. Now, if you use a washer, like in this application, make sure that that washer is galvanized or stainless steel to prevent the rust. So there it is, brand new gazebo. All I did was anchor the legs to the concrete pad, and now we don't have to worry about it flying away to Kansas with Toto. All right, everybody, thanks for watching another J Handy video. It started to rain. I'm under the gazebo though, right on time. All right, you guys know what to do. I hate to keep asking, but I have to. Please subscribe. You're not gonna get any junk mail. You're not gonna pay me. I want to see how much you guys really love me. Thumbs up, thumbs down, it don't matter. Leave a comment. If you got an idea, something you'd like me to do, I can work that out. All right, everybody. See you on the next video. Thank you so much.